And if you take a look at this, guys, you can see that you can get paid from $1.71 to up to $6.42 right here per click using completely free traffic right here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make that amount of money using a completely free traffic in this super easy, beginners friendly CPA marketing strategy. And guys, this strategy can actually help you recreate literally that amount of money in just a couple of minutes after watching this video with the help of one free AI tool. And all you actually need to accomplish this strategy right here is just your mobile phones or a laptop and an access to internet connection right there, and you can grab a hold of this strategy because it's also a beginner friendly strategy right now. So guys, with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all, you want to head onto this platform right here, which is called the Mixo.io. And this is an amazing platform where you can actually use to go onto creating a website even as a beginner right here. So you just want to come onto this platform, register for this platform, and go on to describing the type of website which you want. This particular AI tool is actually going to generate that for you in a matter of a minute right here. So this is quite amazing right now, guys. You could just simply come right here. As you can see, you could launch your website in seconds with AI. And you can actually go on to checking out more features of this AI tool right here. If you do scroll through, you can see that it actually has the AI powered launcher. It actually collects customers' feedback, and you can actually grow your audience with the help of this AI tool. So basically, you just want to come right here, click on get started for free, and you should be brought to a page such as this. Once you are brought to this section, guys, just simply go on to drop in a simple description of your offer right now, of your website which you want to create. So if I do come right here and just simply ask it to create a website about the newest mobile game promotions in 2023, I'm going to leave it as this because I'm actually going to be promoting some games right here, or some mobile games right now. So I'm just going to go on to clicking on generate site right here. If I do click on that, as you can see, it's connecting to the AI, it's submitting my description, and it has actually started to generate my website right here. So right now, guys, it has actually went on to creating this website right here. You can actually do scroll through and you'll be able to see more details about this website right now. So what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply go on to clicking on save and customize. And if you do click on save and customize, you actually need to sign up for an account right here on this platform. So I'm just going to go on to signing up with my email address. So as you can see right now, the site has actually been saved right here and it's actually loading my site. You can see congratulations. The game promo has actually been saved to my account right here. And then guys, I can actually select an option below to proceed with an easy to use site editor right here. As you can see, this is actually, you do actually gain access to some paid plans right now, which is actually the basic site, the growth site, or the premium site. You want to just simply go into registering for one of them right now. So right now, guys, I could just simply go into editing each and every sections right here. Maybe if I do want to just simply go into editing this particular section, I could just simply go on to searching for it right here in this section. You can see right here it says discover the hottest. If I do go into the hero section and click on this, it says discover the hottest mobile game promotions in 2023. This is actually the title right here. You could just simply go on to changing that right now. Maybe if I do want to change this right now to something about the latest, so you can actually see how that looks like right now. So you just want to just simply scroll through and actually do go on to editing these sections based on your preference right here. You could just simply go on to changing this image right now. Maybe if you want to change this image, just simply go on to clicking on that image and go on to changing that. But guys, before we do go on to changing the image right here, we just want to go on to searching for articles about this particular topic. So if I do go on to Google and search for the top 5 games in 2023, I can actually do go on to checking one of these articles right here. Maybe if I do click on this right here, which is the best mobile games in 2023, it's actually going to go on to taking me to an article right here. As you can see, this is actually a cool article for the best mobile games in 2023. You can see right here, it do have some cool mobile games ranging from the Shadow Legend, the Mark Arena, Epic Scene, the Epic 7, and a lot more other games right here. As you can see, this is actually the Mark Arena, this is the Epic 7. You can actually see some cool mobile games right here. So guys, if I do want to take advantage of this first mobile game right now, which is actually the Shadow Legend, I'm just going to come right here, copy this particular text about the Shadow Legend and actually do head on to this particular platform to go on to editing that. And for me to edit that, guys, I'm just going to come right here and change up this section right now. So you can actually do see that right here in this review section. So to go on to changing that, guys, you just want to come right here and remove this particular text. I could just simply remove the text, as you can see right there. I could change in the name of this person that actually has the review. I could just simply head on to ChatGPT right now, and if I do head on to ChatGPT, I can just simply ask ChatGPT to provide 2 sentences describing this game, and the game is Shadow Legend. And if I do click on enter right now, you can see that ChatGPT actually came up with an amazing description right now. So I could just gonna copy this text right here, and if I do copy this text, I'm just gonna head back to that particular page, go on to pasting that in the shop review right there, and you can see that has actually been pasted right now. So I could then just simply go on to editing all this section based on my preference. I could go on to changing the image right there by just simply clicking on this image icon and actually do scroll through. So right now, guys, you can see the image right here. If I do want to change this image right now, I could just simply go on to Google and actually search for the Shadow Legend game images. So if I do search for Shadow Legend game images, you can actually see a lot of images which you could take advantage of right now. I could just simply click on one of these images, go on to right clicking on the image and save the image on my device. So once the image has actually been saved on my device, you want to just simply head back to this section, click on this image icon, and actually go, you could add in a YouTube video right here if you do want to use that, but guys, for you to do that, you actually have to purchase a paid plan right now. You could use an unsplash image, but I'm just going to go on to uploading one for my device. If I do click on upload right now, I'm just going to go on to selecting that image right here. As you can see, the image has actually been downloaded or inserted in this section. I'm just going to click on upload, and you can actually see that right here. So you just want to go on to editing more images right here. You could edit to this section right now, edit these remaining 3 sections, get other cool games right now. Maybe if I don't want to just simply edit this section, I'm just going to highlight this section and actually scroll through till I can actually find that particular text right there. So for that, I'm just going to go on to the features section, and I'll be able to see more details, or I can actually go on to the testimonials. So guys, once you're actually done customizing this page right here, maybe you just want to go simply add in some cool call to action right here via this section right now, which says stay up to date with the newest mobile game in promotion in 2023 and find exclusive deals and discounts on your favorite games. So what you want to do right now is that you just want to get this article right here, copy the link to this article right now. Once you do copy that link, you just want to go onto a CPA marketing platform right now. So you could use the CPA grip right here, go on to registering for an account, fill out this form right here once you do want to register, and you could just simply register and get your account activated quite immediately. Just simply go on to clicking on the monetization tools, click on URL file locker, and you then want to make sure you do go on to creating a URL file locker. And if you do click on create URL file locker, agree to the terms of services, click on I agree, and actually do go on to clicking on continue. So guys, once you do that, you'll be brought to this section. Just simply go on to pasting that right here, that link in the locked URL. Go on to selecting any template of your choice. I'm just going to select the captcha template, head back to the general, edit this section based on my preference. Maybe I'll just simply put in games niche. And if I do select that right now, just simply go on to clicking on save. And if I do click on save right here, my content locker has actually been created. And there are actually similar offers which you did see in the offer 2 sections right there that will be available to my leads in my content locker. So what this actually does is that before they can gain access to that locked content, they actually have to go through my content locker first before they can actually do gain access to that. And guys, you could just simply click on get link right now, and if you do click on get link, you could see the content locker link, copy the link, head back to this section right here, and you can actually do see this section which says the email address. You could just simply go on to changing the button right here from join now to something like click here, or you could leave it as that right now, and the button link URL, you just want to go on to changing that to your CPA marketing link. So guys, you can see that has actually been changed. For the sign up form, you could also do similar things to that right now. You can see it says enter your email. You could just simply click on join now, and once somebody do clicks on this join now, it's automatically going to take them to my CPA marketing offer. You want to just simply go on to taking out much of your time to edit this particular page right here. You could go on to deleting a lot more of these videos right here, or the sections which you are now actually going to be using right there. And once you're actually done with that, just simply go on to clicking on publish. And as you can see right here guys, it's actually warming up the publisher, and in a matter of some seconds it will be published right here on this particular platform. So right now guys, the site has actually been published. Here is your link to this published site right now. You just simply come right here, click on this icon to actually go on to checking out that published site, or you could then just simply go on to copy the link to this particular website right here. So if I do go on to highlighting this and copy this link right now, you can see that this is how the landing page is actually going to look like. Once someone comes right here, insert their email and click on join now, it's actually going to take them to your CPA content locker, which they actually have to complete first before they can actually gain access to this particular locked content. So this is quite amazing right now. Use this strategy to actually drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And how do you drive such traffic? You want to just simply use any platform of your choice. You could use YouTube right here, or you could just simply go on to using the Twitter right now. So on Twitter right now guys, to promote your CPA marketing offer right here, you just want to just simply find out what is trending right now. You could use what is trending to promote your CPA marketing offer, or you could then just simply go on to clicking on post. And if you do click on post, you want to just simply go on to generating a content. And guys, you could just simply put in something like this: hey, do you play mobile games? From the latest game reviews to expert tips and exclusive content, we have everything you need to stay ahead in the mobile gaming world. Don't miss out on this right now. Join for the fun today. And once you put in something like this, you first want to go on to getting hashtags that are actually going to be trending right there, that will make your YouTube rank higher right now. So right now, to actually get some hashtags right here, you could just simply go onto Google and search for which is the top trending Twitter hashtag for mobile games. If you do search for that right now, you can actually see a lot of hashtags right here, which is hashtag games, hashtag mobile games, and a lot more hashtags right there. So you could just simply go on to adding that to that particular content which you're actually writing right here, such as so once you actually do type in all this right now guys, you then want to just simply make sure you're actually going to promoting your CPA marketing offer by actually going on to shortening the link first using this platform right here, which is called the tinyurl.com. So guys, if I'm using this platform, just simply come right here, paste in that link, and you just want to go on to shortening that link by clicking on this shorten URL, and the link has actually been shortened right now. Copy the shortened link and do head on to your Twitter post right here, paste in that particular link, and actually go on to posting that right here on Twitter. And that is actually going to help you get a cool ranking right now in what's actually trending on that particular niche, and you should be able to start driving lots and lots of traffic right now to your CPA marketing offers and start earning some passive income doing so. So just simply grab hold of this strategy and use as many social media platforms out there to promote your CPA marketing offers and start actually earning money with the help of this exact same strategy. So that's it for now guys. I hope this video did help you. If yes, simply go on to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.